warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers. You are still with me, Muhamad Fadhil Ramadhan. I will accompany you to listen to some bright news, some actual news, and some latest news in the sunny morning. Village submerged by red water after flood his batik factory. An Indonesian village has been inundated by blood red water after flooding hit a local batik factory. The crimson dye was released through the street of Jenggot in central Java on Saturday. The area south of the city of Pekalongan is famous for its traditional works and dye batik textile. Thousands of social media users shared images of colored water washing through the village. A local relief official confirmed they were genuine. The red flood is due to the batik dye, which has been hit by the flood, Dimas Argayuda told Reuters News Agency.
Kulon. Tinggi tiara. Lautan merah.
It will disappear when it mixes with rain after a while. Rivers in Pekalongan have previously changed color due to the dyes used in making batik design, with brick green water flooding another village last month. According to Reuters, Indonesia is frequently hit by flooding, with at least 43 people killed following a storm that hit the capital Jakarta earlier this year. Local authorities turned to cloud seeding, where plants inject chemical into cloud in an attempt to prevent further rainfall amid the worst flooding in the area since That's all the news that I covered about the village submerged by water after flood hits batik factory. I'm Muhammad Fadhil Ramadhan living